Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here. I was lapping up my Git and GitHub for Absolute Beginners series, and I thought it was completed. But last night I was been to Stack Overflow, and I found this question: how do I undo the most recent local commits in Git? Even though I already teach it, but when I in Stack Overflow, I found out that this is the most highest upvoted question in the whole Stack Overflow until now. So this guy accidentally committed to long files in the Git, and he haven't pushed commit in the server. So it's just a local tribal mistake. So what it does, what these guys said that he said it right, but I'm gonna do it my way. So what is this is he committed it and reset and hard. So in my words, last time what I was done is I edited that, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check all the gets. So git log in one line, so one line, and you can see it's the latest one and the before one. So what we need to do is just Control plus C, and just we need to type git reset and Control plus V. So if we do that, it changes, but it doesn't revert back to that. So how we gonna revert back to that? Like totally we want to delete this out. So how are we gonna do that? Just go back and throw a flag of hard. So and that file is removed. That means what we did earlier is just removed. So if we check git log now, it doesn't have that. So that is all about. And by mistakenly or something that you somehow if you push to your remote repository, how you gonna do that? Like, just show you again. So if you somehow manage to push on your GitHub repo, you can also do that back. So git push origin master and throw a force flag. And what it's gonna do is it also delete from the remote repository. So if we go there, the GitHub, I don't know why it's taking so long. And now if we head back to my repositories on my profile, here you can see, not my face, fuck you. And here if we check it that it removed from here too the comments. So in that way, this is how it works. So hope you guys understand. We can always revert back to our old comments by doing this. So one is git if you already pushed into the server, so git push origin master, and the other is the git reset hard. So in that way you can revert back all your files. So that's how we do. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's, this is the last GitHub tutorials. After that there is no GitHub tutorials, because by now you are now a professional Git user, because there is nothing left to learn about GitHub. So hope you guys understand, and see you guys in another playlist. Something like that. So like, share, subscribe. So sayonara.